How to add snow effect on Wix website. So if you want to add a snow effect in heart of the Christmas season, what you can do is you can head over here to your apps, head over here to your app market, and then once you have done that, you will be redirected to the app market of Wix. So what we can do is we can click onto this search bar right here and search in here for snow. Now from in there you can see some suggestions. So you can choose which one you want. I'll just head over and see my selections. So we have in here some that requires 7-day free trial, 3-day free trial, premium site, and a lot more. For this one, I'll just choose the snow effects for Christmas. Now from in there, you can just wait for this to load and then click on this add to site option. Then this will load and make sure to click on the agree and add in order to install this application. Now, once you have done that, it will actually be opened and it will be installed into your Wix dashboard. So here's our application. So we need to click or enable this let snow option. And first things first, you can choose in here snow style if you want. For example, for this one, I'll choose this really cute design and click onto this on option. And then this will be turned on. So what we can do next is we can head over and see if it applies to our website. So as you can see, here's our website right here, and as guaranteed, it is now snowing. So that's how you add snow effect on the Wix website. Hope you helped.